kailangan talaga natin ng vacuum cleaner. So ito, this is portable and then I can leave it inside the car and then I can use it anytime. Parang ganun. Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, it's unboxing time again. So this is, hindi ko na alam kung pang ilang unboxing ko na to ng Xiaomi. So, yun nga, for this unboxing video, I will unbox this Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mini. So, mga ganito siya kaliit. So, well, hindi nyo naman ma-appreciate kung gano'n siya kaliit. Pero I'll show to you kung gano'n siya kaliit when we do the unboxing. So, before anything else, if you haven't subscribed it yet to my YouTube channel, it's Orbeta. Please follow me on my Instagram account, it's HEX, and my Facebook page is Orbeta. So, yeah, I'll do a lot of unboxing video, especially on tech review, tech unboxing. I also do travel vlogs and lifestyle vlogs. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that notification bell and then that subscribe button and give me a like. Yun. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. Dapat pala tanggalin ko lahat ata yung plastic. So yeah, kung as much as iniingatan ko yung plastic, I can't kasi hindi ko siya mabubuksan. So, at the back, you have your Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mini, and then its approximate weight is 0.5 kilograms. Color is white. Connector type is Type-C. So I think that's the power cable kung paano niya siya i-charge. And then rated power is 120 watts. And then rated voltage is 10.8 volts. And then package content includes Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mini, a crevice nozzle, a brush nozzle, and a Type-C charging cable, and a power adapter and user manual. Yun lang. So the battery capacity is 200 milliamperes. And then rated input is 5 volts. So yun. So paano pa natin ito i-unbox? Yun. So yun. Ito siya. Yan. So before unboxing and before anything else, it's a brushless motor, cordless dust removal, and then high efficiency filtration. So I think it has a HEPA filter din that comes in the vacuum cleaner, the mini vacuum cleaner. So first, ano ba? Ganyan na lang. So first, you have your user manual. Yan. And then, you have a adapter. Dami ko ng ganito. And then, we have this brush nozzle. Ito. So, open na. A brush nozzle. And then, a power cable. Ito, as much as gusto pakita ko, pero this is a power cable or a USB Type-C power cable. Kasi marami na ako ng ganito. So, ayoko siyang buksan. Yan. And then, ito yung isa. Yung parang extension. Yan. And for the main event, this is your vacuum cleaner or the mini vacuum cleaner from Xiaomi. So basically, yun lang yung laman ng box. So lagay muna natin siya sa gilid. So, ito yung laman ng box. So, ito yung anything that is included inside the box with your mini vacuum cleaner. So, ito, I decided to buy this mini vacuum cleaner from Xiaomi Mi Home. It's because gusto ko magkaroon ng mini vacuum nga for my car. Actually, the sole purpose of this is to use sa kotse para na. So, alam naman natin na every time we do our car wash, when we do our car wash, kailangan talaga natin ng vacuum cleaner. So, this is portable and then I can leave it inside the car and then I can use it anytime. Parang ganun. So this is your, vacuum cleaner. So, ganyan siya kahaba. Yan, ganyan siya kahaba. So, for reference, this is my tumbler. So, mas mataas siya. This is almost 1 liter tumbler and then this is the vacuum cleaner. So, basically, medyo mas mataas talaga siya. Yeah. So, yung parts ng vacuum cleaner, actually this is a, hindi naman siya, ano ba to? Hindi siya function eh. A lock yon. May lock siya para madali nating matanggal yung dust or any debris or any materials na makukuha natin using the vacuum cleaner. So, all you need to do is pull it down and then open it up. Sorry, yun pala yung lock. So, kapag, yan, yun. So, pull down, tapos, i-up lang. Yan, i-up lang. So, eto yun, pwede na siyang tanggalin by, ganito. Tatanggalin na natin yung mga na vacuum pa nga. Pero, this is also, let me check yan. Pwede siyang, may indicator siya dito, ng lock and unlock. Dito. May indicator siya dyan ng lock and unlock. So, ito twist natin siya counterclockwise. Yan. So, na-twist ko na siya counterclockwise. Tapos, ito yon. So, kung ito, matatanggal natin siya. Matatanggal natin yung, this is your HEPA filter. Yan. So, ito, washable to. So, we can wash this kapag medyo madumi na. So, at least mas madali din matanggal kung ano yung makukuha natin using this vacuum. The container itself, actually medyo maliit siya. Pero since this is my sole purpose of buying this one is sa car, I think this is enough na. The receptacle is enough na to remove all the dust or any sand sa loob ng kotse. So, this is a perfect example or perfect size vacuum cleaner for my car. You have few accessories then inside the box. So when you use this one, so all you need to do is do this. Yan. So i-attach lang siya. When you remove this one, ganun din. So parang mas madali naman siyang tanggalin at saka ikabit. So yan. So if you need to do your vacuum ng paganito, pwede mo siya. This is parang extension nozzle. Yan. Actually, pwede rin naman to kapag mag-vacuum. Kaso, masyado siyang maikli. So, you need to have your extension nozzle. So, using your extension nozzle, pwede rin yung brush nozzle. So, lalagay mo siya dito. Either way, pwede yung ganito. Yan. Yan. Or, the other way. So, remove your extension nozzle. And then, this brush nozzle. And then, yeah. So, mas maliit. Actually, this is a perfect size din. Kunyari, sa brush din siguro ng steering wheel or function button ng kotse, yan, pwede. Or sa leather seat, pwede to. Yan. Yan. At least medyo mas maliit kasi may brush. So, again, you also have, this is a rechargeable vacuum cleaner, and this mini vacuum cleaner has two power options. So when you press this power button, yan. And then when you press it again, mas malakas. And then when you press it again, saka siya magta-turn on. Yan. So when you turn this on, yung, syempre, suction mechanism. So, magsasock siya dito and then dito yung exhaust niya. So, may exhaust siya dito sa baba. So, any vacuum cleaner naman ganun. So, kailangan kasi mag-suck muna siya papunta dito and then mag-exhale. Hindi ma-exhale, parang yung exhaust niya, i-exhaust niya dito sa kabila. So, let me demo this one using few materials. So, para at least alam natin kung effective ba siya or hindi. So, I have 3 different materials to test kung effective siya sa car or even sa bahay niyo. So guys, this is a sample demo using the Mi Vacuum Mini. So, we have this sand. Yan yung sand, and then we have pebbles, and we have moss. Actually, this is a moss that can replicate siguro hair. So, although hindi naman ganyan kakapal yung buhok, pero at least you have a decent example of for demonstration purposes. So, yun. So, let's start with the moss. So, I'll switch. Yan. I'll switch the power on yung pinaka-lowest level ng suction. Yeah. So, that's the lowest suction. So, ito yung laman ng ano natin, nung container natin or receptacle natin. So, ayan, nakita naman natin siya. Yan. And then, ang susunod natin is the pebbles. So, gagawin pa rin natin siyang i-vacuum pa rin natin siya ng may laman para at least alam natin na kung enough pa yung power niya na mag-vacuum ng madaming debris or madaming kalat sa loob ng kotse. So, I'll turn this on the yung pinaka-lowest power. Ayan. For the sand, I'm going to use this extension brush nozzle. Ito. Talagay natin siya kasi titingnan natin since sand siya, titingnan natin kung magbabrush niya at kaya niyang tanggalin yung mga ganitong klaseng kalat sa loob ng kotse or even sa loob ng bahay. Yan. So, ito, I'll turn this on again, yung sa pinakamababa, and then let's do the vacuum. Kung makikita nyo siya, nandito ayan tinan nyo yung loob. Yan, ang itsura niya. So at least kahit pa paano, it's a pretty decent demonstration na kaya niyang talagang mag-vacuum ng ganitong kaliliit na material. So, turn off muna natin. Yan. You have a one-way, parang door dito sa ayan yan. So, now open siya. So, pag nag-vacuum siya, na-turn on yung vacuum, magbubukas to. So, it's a one-way lang. So, alam nyo na hindi lalabas yung mga na-vacuum nyo ng dumi sa loob ng kotse or even sa any part of your house. So, yeah. So, this is a good part ng vacuum to. At least one-way lang siya. So, yeah. So, this is the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mini. So pretty much I already demonstrated to you kung ano yung power niya when doing the suctioning of any debris or any kalat or any dirt inside your house or inside your car. So for me, the sole purpose nga of this vacuum cleaner is to use inside my car. So again, this is not a sponsored video from Xiaomi Mi Home. So baka naman, Xiaomi. So I enjoyed their wide variety of products na alam ko talaga nagagamit ko sa loob ng bahay or even sa kotse or even their gadgets, their latest gadgets. So, gusto ko talaga. So, I highly recommend you buying this Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mini from Xiaomi Mi Home, and then see it for yourself, and then try this product. So yun lang. So again, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, it's Orbeta. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and then don't forget to comment if you have any questions. I would gladly na mag-reply sa inyo. gusto ko din makatulong, or if you have any questions regarding this product, I am willingly na mag-reply sa inyo. So yun lang. So thank you, God bless, and thank you, Hex.